Hello children. Now we discussing 6th class mathematics. In that first chapter already started knowing our numbers. Now we discussing new point ascending order and descending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest, and descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Let us see. Question. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Example 847 to 571. In that larger is 9754 and smaller number is 571. Therefore, by ascending order, very smaller number which 571, second number 847, third 8320 and larger number 9754, which is the ascending order. Arrange the following numbers in a descending order. Number C 5000, 7500, 85400, 7861. In that, smaller number is 5000 and larger number is 85400. Therefore, by descending order, first larger number 85400, 7861, 7500 and last one smaller number 5000, which is in a descending order. Now we discussing shifting digits. Have you thought what fun it would be if the digits in a number could shift from one place to the other? Think about what would happen to 182. It could become as large as 821 and as small as 128. Now we discussing introducing 10,000. The largest 4-digit number is 9999. What should be added to this number to make smallest 5-digit number? The answer is we need to add 1. Let us find out. On adding 1 to 9999, we get 10,000, which is smallest 5-digit number. Can you guess the smallest 6-digit number? Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Digits of a number can be shifted to form greater or smaller number. Let us see how writing large numbers. Sometimes the large numbers are so large that it becomes difficult to keep track of them. It helps to use indicators to read and write large numbers in a decimal number system. The value of a digit depends on its place or position in the number. Each place has a value of 10 times the place to its right. It can be extended to crores. The chart helps in reading and writing numbers and is called place value chart number system. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and then lakhs and crores. Comma is used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. The first comma comes after hundreds place 3 digits from the right and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000 place and marks lakh. The third comma comes after another 2 digits, 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakh in the international system of numeration. As it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and then millions. 1 million is 1,000 thousands. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions It comes after every 3 digits from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks millions. Points to remember: 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 1000 thousands. 10 crores is equal to 100 millions. And 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Remaining part we will discussing in a next session. And don't forget for subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.